MJ Online Home Tutor Academy is providing free online Excel training course from basic to advanced level and from advanced to professional level. You can join if you are a beginner. You can join our free online Excel training course. We start from the basic. You can understand the basic example of addition, then you can a little bit advanced level of addition example, then you can move to the advanced level of additional addition example. Same as we do, for the sum, we have multiple example, then subtraction and multiplication, division, and so on. We start from this training from the basics for the beginners. So you can join right now. Don't forget to subscribe. You will have the complete training information with this channel, and you can learn on MJ Online hometutor.com. So the complete course we provide. Yeah, it's free, online available. You can join, you can install in your system, or you can have the application on your cell phone, so you can use it, and you can learn Excel online with the help of a training session. So please subscribe right now our channel. uh, you cannot learn, someone asked, it's a frequently asked question. So some most of the people ask, can I learn Excel in a day? So Microsoft Excel is simple on a basic stage, but it's not possible to learn complete Microsoft Excel in a day. So if you have a good skills of the mathematics and stats, you can learn Microsoft Excel quickly on an advanced and professional level as well. So that's the thing. It's not too hard to, some of the people ask, if is Excel but it is difficult to learn. How hard is Excel to learn? So it's not too difficult to have the Excel understanding. If you have good knowledge of mathematics or stats, so you can have, have a good grip on your Microsoft Excel, and you can move quickly on advanced and the professional level of Microsoft Excel. So it's very easy to move forward. Where I can learn Excel for free. We are providing online Excel course for the beginners and for the advanced level students and the professional level students. So you can join our through our website, as well as you can watch most of the video. Or you can get the videos on frequent basis for your practice. So you can, you will learn and understand all concept and depth of the to get the faster and smarter control on your professional level. So you can join our Excel course. Is free. We provide three courses, which is first is for the beginners, and second course is for the advanced level, and third is for the professional level. So you can join from you want, for the beginners, for the advanced, or for the professional level. uh, how can I learn Excel quickly? First, you have to understand the basics Excel training course for the beginners there by MJ Online Home Tutor Academy. Then you can learn Excel advanced and Excel professional level quickly with complete expertise. So if you have the basic knowledge, so you can move forward quickly. How can I learn Excel at home? You just join MJ Online Home Tutor Academy and practice simple math problem on Excel a few days. With the help of free Excel online training for beginners, then you can move forward to the advanced level, and you can do the professional level as well. So it's a free online course at MJ Online Home Tutor Academy. The website link is mjonlinehometutor.com. uh, Yes, most of the people ask, is worth learning. Yes, of course, MMS Excel application, which is almost every office and business professional are using to keep the records and transaction and other official information. So it is easy to it is easiest tool to analyze the data, to record maintenance and learning. Microsoft Excel is important to get command on it to perform the professional environment. So you if you want to do work in a professional environment, you should have to know the basic of Microsoft Excel. So I will really recommend you to subscribe right now and join our free Excel online course. So how can I improve my Excel skills? So understand the basic Excel, then remember and apply shortcuts during Excel work. So I will tell you as well in each video I also tell you the how you can use and apply shortcuts for the same task. Practice and easy and exercise to analyze the different data. Practice display formatting, make it presentable. Practice importing report and managing it, reduce auto result, produce auto results as well. So that's help improve your skill. Basic apply basic MS Excel formula and functions like sum, count, max, min, average, if. Create pivot table to analyze data present in a presentable way. Data validation, data entry. Create drop down list for a smart work. Import input data in a table without throwing data numbers and text, narration, like don't put the data in a messy way. Should be in a data format or table format, so that will be good, presentable. What is the difference between Excel and advanced Excel? The basic MS Excel includes a simple calculation and multiplication of simple Excel formulas, such as these formulas. Then we will do advanced Excel as well, so you can have the understanding of advanced Excel. But the advanced Microsoft Excel is where we come compute and analyze huge data, such as budgeting, forecasting on industrial level. So we also do this kind of exercise as well in a advanced level. And we also discuss this kind of example in a professional level as well. So in advanced level we will discuss this kind of example on a basic level, and on the professional level we will discuss this kind of example on a advanced level. So that will be a professional level of Microsoft Excel course. The next before this exercise, I'm going to tell you something important about it. What is the advanced Excel training, and what should I learn in advanced Excel? So if you are going to do advanced Excel, in advanced Excel you will get training of using advanced formulas and function, as well as you also get to know how to use many functions to get a single equation. Advanced Excel training course simply designed to enhance the basic MS Excel skill on advanced level. Free online advanced Excel training course. So nowadays, every office job required advanced Excel, and employer interested to hiring those candidates who know about the data managing, controlling, formatting, pivot table, advanced charting. Well, means we have to create the graphs, Power Query, and so on. So you should know if you want to hire yourself on a basis of Microsoft Excel. Yes, it's useful. Once you understand the basics of Excel, you will know how much is useful. I will recommend you to complete your free MS Excel Advanced Excel training course before giving interview in any organization. So it's very useful for you. What Excel skill are employer looking for? Candidates should have minimum advanced level of Microsoft Excel knowledge, and have good experience of on it to perform their duty in time as per requirement. Candidates who know about the data managing, conditional formatting, data analyzing, budgeting, Power table, advanced charting, Power Query, and so on, we will be in more consideration. So this is very important. I really want you to understand the advanced level of Microsoft Excel. Before moving forward to the professional level and discussing that topic, I want you to subscribe my channel right now, because I will make the videos on a basic and advanced level of the Microsoft Excel training. So you should have the knowledge of these things. So I want you to subscribe right now. So Microsoft Excel professional tutoring course. Microsoft Excel is the special program, same as online Google Sheet. Uh, let's discuss this one. Why Excel is important for business. MS Excel is one of the most important tool for every business. It is required to manage daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly reports. It is easy. It is also used to track daily tasks, performance. Microsoft Excel is one of the useful tool to perform mathematic and financial tasks on daily basis. So on daily basis, management needs to analyze the data to check the performance as well as to check the and to take the decision for the further action. So this is very important on a professional level as well. So if is Excel important for accounting, and we what Excel skill are most valuable in accounting? Now Microsoft Excel is most of the necessary software for the business and accounting purpose. Whatever the sales point or data management system installed in your organization means some, like if the shopping mall, we go any shopping mall, so that over that you can see their sales point, and they are using multiple type of applications or the softwares to run their business for the recording the data. But on the back end, they use Microsoft Excel to analyze data and management and maintain the records. So that's a very important thing to understand and learn the professional level of Microsoft Excel. So what is the use of Microsoft in insurance company? We also discussed the insurance company and multiple industries for the professional level training course. So I want you to subscribe right now. I'm going to make this training right now for you, and you can have this video on the link on the description, so you can start from the beginning, start this course for the beginner level, and also at the advanced level course in the description, so you can join that as well. Or if you want to have a professional level knowledge of Microsoft Excel, so the link is in the description. So please don't forget to subscribe on the channel and like this video as well. Leave your comment what you want to learn. I will make a video for you on that topic if you want to learn some any specific topic. Thank you for watching.